Hi, I'm James from Fine Country, and you've joined me here today at one of Leamington's finest apartment developments. Overlooks the Jephson Gardens. You come in onto the ground floor where you've got this beautiful and exquisite 3 double bedroom, 3 bathroom apartment. Let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this stunning apartment. It overlooks the Communal gardens and grounds. It really is a special place to live. We've got secure gated parking for 1 car. We're a stone's throw from the Jephson Gardens, and we're in the heart of the town centre. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.